morning. Back to reality tayo. So, start working na tayo ulit. Work tayo. Reality of life. Ah, hirap ko kunin yung regular na sleep ko eh. So, ilang days na tayong walang exercise kasi maaga tayo. Pero, pag set up na yung aking katawan, kailangan mag-exercise. So, ngayon, yung aking tulog pa ang medyo hindi maganda. Ewan ko ba. Kailangan kailangan magpalakas. So anyway, back to work. Another this is my second week na ba? Yeah, second week of work na to. So this week may dinakdakan. So yan ang ating pagkakaabalahan. Tapos maglinis ng backyard. So today is Wednesday, 8:45. So yeah, ganyan ang ating buhay dito sa Amerika. Trabaho. Kailangan magpalakas. Okay. Mahirap pag ganitong oras, medyo wala tayong mapaparkingan eh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, dude. So, shoot, mamaya, pa-empty na yung ating gas. Papagas tayo mamaya. It's almost empty. Wala na akong time eh. Mamaya na tayo magpagas. Work! Time check, 8:46. California time. Yan talaga ang buhay. Trabaho. Gandang weather ngayon. No? Are you piloting the plane? Yes. This is my jet plane. Boeing 797. Bound for better than Tesla. This is Barako. Zero mortgage. No need for a brand new car. At this point of time, we don't need a brand new car. We need to set our priority. As long as it will take you to work, maintenance, well maintained, that's it. Zero mortgage, zero nothing, zero monthly. Okay. So this is your pilot, Iloco Pinoy. Enjoy the flight and see you in Manila in 18 hours. This is again your pilot, Ka Iloco. Oh, there's police. See? Is it payday, almost payday. So I see a lot of policemen trying to get their quota. Okay, back to work, back to work. Ujuk kalukuran daka, kalukuran sobra-sobra. I just want to forget there's something in my head. Na, 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 na. And this is my baon. This is my meal for today. I call it sardinas. Sardinas from Costco. Yeah. Okay, this is my food today. My lunchtime later because I don't have food. So sardines from Costco. This one are good. Skinless, boneless sardines. 100% olive oil. Look at that. You can get it from Costco uh, liquid, particularly in Costco liquid. This good. This sardines is a brand of sardines is good. Skinless, boneless. So this is my meal for today. Okay. Sardines. Ito ang ating baon ngayon. Sardinas. So wala akong baon ngayon. Tapos mamaya magpapagas ako. Kasi maihatid ako sa airport ng Webes. So it's gonna be a long day again. Wednesday, give me strength, my Lord. Strength, strength, wisdom to do my job. So skinless, boneless. Skinless and boneless sardines, 100% olive oil. This one is good though. Love is just an illusion. I don't want to forget. There is something in my head. Na, na, na. I just need only one time coffee in the morning. That's it, and lot of water. Water, water. It's been like I miss exercise for 5 days. I need to go back. The way your kisses, feeling so strong. Na, 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 mhm, tururu, tu- uh, Yeah, no. Forget the wind. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. Time check. So still a parking here. Still have 30 minutes. Oh, way I know. Oh, no, no. La 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 la. La 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 la. All right, guys. That's it. Work.